Good morning children. This is Rama Chugh, your English educator. Today we are going to do article writing. What article is, children? Article is a piece of thoughtful writing where you pen down your thoughts. Okay. Now how do we write article? Today we are going to do the format of article writing. First of all, we'll write down heading. Then comes the name of the writer by XYZ. Now, I will give you a formula to write down an article. Children, often you people get confused how to write down an article. Why? Because what you people do is, you people start with east, then you straight away come upon south. The coherence and the connectivity of idea breakdowns. What important is in article writing is the connectivity of thought. If you are talking about A, if you have started with A, you have to talk about B. Then you will talk about C and then you will talk about D. But what you people do is, you start with A and you directly jump upon D, which breaks the link between the thought, the connectivity of idea. And that is why you find it difficult to write article. Now today I'll tell you how to write an article. I'm giving you a mantra of it. Okay. Now take a topic. Let us take a topic. For example, child labor. Okay. Let us give a heading, child labor, a heinous crime by Rama Chugh. First of all, what we'll do is, we'll explain the topic, what child labor is. Then after explaining the topic, we'll tell the present situation, what the present scenario is. After explaining the present scenario, we'll tell about the reasons behind this child labor. Could be any, could be so many: social, political, economical. Okay. After telling the reasons, we'll tell about the effects, how it has affected our society, how it has affected our nation, how it has affected the world. Okay. Positively and negatively. After telling the effects, we'll talk about the cures, how we could eradicate this problem individually and on the whole, as a society, as a nation. After cures, we could give the conclusion. If you'll follow this mantra, you could have the connectivity of the thought. Now let us take one more topic. Let us fit one more topic into this. The present situation of this online classes during COVID-19. Online classes during COVID-19. Here comes the name of the writer. Explain the topic. What are these online classes during COVID-19? What present situation is? What present scenario is going on? Done, students? Then comes the reasons. What are the reasons for it? Reasons responsible. Effects. How has it affected us, the society, the nation, the world? Positively, negatively. Its cures. If it has affected negatively, how it could be cured? Some suggestions. On the individual level, on the whole. Cures are not mandatory. Cures come when it has affected negatively. Getting? Then comes the conclusion. Hope for the best. Now, I have given you a frame. Take any topic and try to fit into this frame. You will find that it fits into this frame. Try to write an article following this frame. It will become easy for you to write an article. Now, what you have to keep in mind is, you are not going to give headings. When you will write an article, these are not the headings for your article, children. This is only a hint given to you. This is not a heading. You need not supply a heading before the paragraph, children. Okay. Now let us discuss one example. See, here is an article, Crimes Against Women in India. Here will come the name of the writer. See, they are more educated, more powerful and more economically independent now, but women continue to fall victims of crimes against them. Cases of domestic violence, dowry deaths, economic exploitation, indecent objectification in ads and films, gender discrimination at home and at workplaces, molestation and rape continue to hog the limelight in the media and cause public outcry. See, the very first paragraph explains the topic. When you will come to the second paragraph, it will tell you the present situation, children. If you will come to the second paragraph, it will tell you the present situation. The third paragraph will tell you the reasons behind the crimes against women, and so on. Try to fix this article in the frame I have given you, children, and you will find it that it exactly fits into the frame. See, and now see, Vama Satyarthi, the name is given here, but you could also see it's written name of the writer. It can also appear immediately after the heading, and it will appear immediately after the heading only. You will not write it here. It will appear immediately after the heading. Okay, children? So this is your article writing. Do follow this frame and you will find that article writing has become easy for you. Thank you.